Good morning, students. Myself Priyanka Mahale. In the previous class, we have started with the first chapter of bookkeeping and accountancy, that is computer in accounting. So, in the previous class, what we have learned the concept of computer in accounting. The concept of computer accounting states that it is a process wherein computers are used for the accounting purpose, which helps in taking quick decisions, which helps in planning, which helps in controlling the business, which helps in taking whatever data you require, you get it in a quick and accurate and much easier time. Okay, then and the second thing what we have learned is the features of computerized accounting system. Third thing we have learned is what is the importance of computerized accounting system. And the last part what we have learned in the previous class was components of computers in accounting. What are the three components? The three components are hardware, software and personnel. Which these three things we are able to do accounting process with the help of the computer. In today's class we are going to see how the accounting documents are created. Okay, now as you all know, in the previous year, that is in 11th standard, you have learned source documents which are required for accounting process. Okay, now whenever you do accounting, you require some documents. Okay, without this document we cannot record the transactions, because documents does what? Documents acts as an evidence or a proof that the transaction has taken place. Okay, now this accounting documents basically is what? The cash memos, receipts, payment vouchers, invoices. Okay, these are some of the important documents which are required for the accounting process. Okay, the first thing is what? Creation of accounting document. Now what this accounting software does, it helps in creating different accounting documents like cash memos, vouchers, receipts, invoices, etc. Okay, the second thing is what? Recording of the transaction. Once, as you know, when these accounting documents are prepared, why we prepare a accounting document? Whenever the transaction takes place, what we does? We prepare a accounting document to state, to keep it as an confidential or security that the transaction has taken place. Okay, once this transaction takes place, what we do? We record the transaction. So how we record the transaction? What do? We first prepare the journal. Okay, in journal what we do? We debit, we credit. Okay, after that we once the journal is prepared, what we do? It is the second step, we prepare the ledger. Okay, in that ledger what we do? We credit and debit. So what is the, as you all know, every transaction is having dual effect, that is credit and debit, whether it is a personal account, whether it is a nominal account, whether it is a real account. What is the rule of the personal account? Is what? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay, the rule of the real account is what? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay, and the rule of the nominal account is what? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. These are the three golden rules which are required for the accounting process, and you are very well versed with it, because in 11th standard you have done the accounting with the help of these three golden rules. Okay, the first thing is what? Credit what? Liability and income. Debit what? Expenditure and assets. So from these assets and liabilities, what we get? We get the balance sheet. From the income and expenditure, what we get? We get the profit and loss account. So this table, as you can see, will help you to find out the profit and loss, and will help you to find out the balance sheet. Okay, so next step is what? Preparation of trial balance of the financial statement. Okay, preparation of the trial balance. So here, preparation of trial balance and financial statement. So in this preparation of trial balance and financial statement is what? When we record a transaction, we can prepare easily the trial balance and the financial statement. So there is a process for this, the accounting process. First is what? Input. What we do? We input, we feed in all the data in the computer software. Then the processing takes place. That processing is known as accounting process. Okay, After this processing takes place, the last is what? The output, the outcome. That is what? The outcome we get it in the form of reports, that is the financial statement, a trading account, a profit and loss account, and the balance sheet. So this is the these are the three steps in what? Creation of accounting documents. First is what? We prepare we create accounting documents. After that we record the transactions, and the last thing is what? Preparation of trial balance and the financial statement. Okay, so this is the diagram how the financial statements are prepared. See, from the credit income, and from the debit expenditure we get profit and loss account. From the credit liability and from the debit asset we got balance sheet. Okay, then the next step is what? The next point is what? Comparison between manual accounting process and computerized accounting process. Now this is a very important topic, very important part of computerized accounting system, because most of the question comes from this, that is, state the difference between computerized accounting system and manual accounting system. Okay, so here the first thing is what? Manual accounting system. Let me explain you what do you mean by a manual accounting system. Manual accounting system is what? Here the human beings does the accounting process. Okay, and computerized accounting system is what? Here the computer software does the accounting maintaining the accounting records. Okay, let's see the meaning of manual accounting system. Manual accounting system is what? In which we maintain physical registers of journals, ledgers, for keeping the record of each and every business transaction. Here what we do? We keep the physical register of the journal and the ledger. Okay, in computerized accounting system, what happened? In this system of computerized accounting system, what happened? Here accounting, we use computers and different accounting software for digital record of each and every business transaction. Okay, so here there is a huge difference between manual accounting system and computerized accounting system. Here human beings are used to maintain the record. Here computer softwares are used for recording the business transactions. Second is what? Calculations make of total. Calculation make total of. Okay, in this system all calculations are done manually. Suppose for example, to find out the balance of any ledger account, we make the total of the debit and credit side, and then we find out the difference showing for the balance. As you all know, in the last year in your 11th standard, what you have done, you used to do what? You used to first find out the debit side and the credit side. Now when the debit side and credit side are not the same, what used to do? You used to find the difference, and that difference was known as balance carried down. Okay, I hope you all remember this. Now in computerized accounting system, what happened? In computerized accounting system, our duty is to record the business transactions manually in the database. All the calculations are done by the computer system. We need not calculate each and account balance. It is calculated automatically by computerized accounting system. Here what happens? Only thing what you have to do manually is what? You have to feed the data, that is whatever transactions takes place, you have to just record the transactions. The rest, all the calculations will be done by the computer. All the account balancing will be done automatically by the computer software. Next is what? Ledger account. Right, here what we do? Ledger account, first we prepare the journal. In that journal what we do? We find out what is debit, what is credit, and then we total it up, and then we prepare the ledger. But you see, ledger accounts are prepared by posting transactions in appropriate ledger manually with the help of the journal. There may be many mistakes while transferring the amount manually. As you have seen in the last year, in the 11th standard, when you were transferring, you used to add one more zero, or used to deduct one zero. Okay, so here the amount would get changed, and you used to not get the answer. But in computerized accounting system, this doesn't occur. Okay, here what happens? In computerized accounting system, once the voucher Once the voucher is entered, it will automatically be printed, thus there is no chance of taking or transferring wrong amount. Okay, here what is to do, you have to only record the transaction, or only once the whenever the voucher is entered, it will automatically get printed, there won't be any mistake. Okay, next is what, trial balance. Trial balance, here what happens, in this system of accounting we have taken balances of all ledger account in trial balance system. What here, as you all know, when you were preparing trial balance, hope you remember of 11th standard. Okay, here what happens, whatever ledger account we prepare, from this ledger account balances, what we do, we prepare the trial balance. Okay, here but in computerized accounting system, what happens, it is produced automatically. Computerized accounting system will produce trial balance automatically, because all the ledger, all the details are there. From this details, the software will divide it into debit and credit side of the trial balance. Next is what, adjustment entries record. Both adjustment journal entries and its posting in the ledger account will be done manually one by one. Okay, in adjustment entries record is what, both adjustment journal entries and its posting in the ledger account will be done manually one by one. Okay, here one, as you all know, in the when we were given the trial balance, there are few adjustments. Okay, now this adjustment, what you used to do, used to manually post it them into ledger account. But when here in computerized accounting system, what happens, only adjustment entries will be passed in the computerized accounting system, posting in the ledger account will be done automatically. Here everything is what, you have to just enter the adjustment entries, the changes in the ledger account will be done automatically. Next is what, financial statement. We have to make the financial statement manually. Be careful transferring trial balance figures in the trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. As you all know, we prepare financial account based on the trial balance. Now if there is one mistake from the trial balance, while posting from trial balance to this accounts, your balance sheet won't get tallied. Okay, but this mistake doesn't occur in the computerized accounting system. What we used to do, we need not prepare the finance system manually. Here all the data are there. From this data you can get the financial record. Financial statement will be generated automatically. It will also automatically change after each voucher entry in the system. This finance facility is not available in manual accounting system. Next is what, closing the books. After the year end, accountant prepare financial statement for the accounting period. Balances are to be carried forward manually to the next year. Okay, here what they do, is to manually carry forward the amount. In computerized accounting system, what happens, this software reports, financial reports are auto generated for the accounting period. These balances are automatically carried forward to the next year. Here everything is automatic, but here it is what, everything is manual. You have to do it manually.